In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the Conversion API, or KP, for Shopify, especially in conjunction with Meta, formerly known as Facebook. This integration is crucial for boosting your data accuracy and improving the performance of your ads. By the end of this guide, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to seamlessly connect your Shopify store with Facebook, providing a robust platform for understanding and optimizing your advertising efforts. First, we'll need to install the Facebook and Instagram sales channel on Shopify. Start by navigating to the Settings section in the Shopify admin panel and make your way to Apps and Sales Channels. Once there, you'll need to search for the Facebook and Instagram app and install it. This installation is straightforward, but it's essential to follow the on-screen prompts thoroughly. During this process, you'll be asked to connect your Facebook account, so make sure you have your login details handy. You'll also need to select the relevant Facebook Business Manager and Ad account. This step is important because it dictates which account and business profile the integration will communicate with. Moving on to configure data sharing settings in your Shopify store. Within the Facebook and Instagram sales channel settings, locate the Data Sharing Settings option. Here you should select the maximum data sharing level. This particular setting is significant as it combines data shared by the Facebook pixel, which operates browser-side, with the Conversion API that functions server-side. By choosing the maximum level, you're ensuring that you're collecting the most comprehensive and detailed data possible, which, in turn, aids in better ad optimization. After configuring these settings, it's time to verify and finalize your setup in the Meta Events Manager. Head over to your Meta Business Suite and navigate to the Events Manager. In this section, you'll want to select the pixel that's associated with your Shopify store. Once you've identified the correct pixel, check under the Conversions API section to confirm that the Partner Integration with Shopify is active. It's crucial to ensure this setup is correctly in place so that your data flows as intended. Lastly, take advantage of the Test Events tool within the Events Manager. This tool is invaluable for confirming that everything is working as expected. By sending test events from your Shopify store, you can verify that the data is reaching both the pixel and the Conversion API correctly. This is a critical step to ensure your setup is operational and capturing data accurately. While this native integration provides a streamlined solution, there are alternative methods for those seeking more control and customization. Advanced users might explore server-side tracking options using tools like Google Tag Manager and platforms such as Stape. These alternatives offer greater flexibility but require a deeper technical understanding to implement effectively. And there you have it. You've successfully set up the Conversion API, enhancing your Shopify store's data accuracy and advertising prowess with Meta.